What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel Andy Finance. I'm Andy, and don't worry about this mess. This is one of David Dobrik's $100,000 puzzle. This is the $100,000 puzzle where I'll be claiming my $100,000 after I solve this QR code. Now, clearly, David Dobrik did not sell me just a puzzle. He sold me a fucking headache at $30, where I gladly paid. This is ridiculous, and it's gonna take me forever. So don't mind this. Today's video is about a penny stock. Now, what are penny stocks?
Penny stocks, companies that can't get listed on NASDAQ, they don't have enough capital, their shares trade here.
Penny stocks?
So in short, penny stocks are small companies that trade under $5, usually on the OTC market. Sure, you can find some on the NASDAQ, but usually they're trading on the OTC, trying to collect funds from the public. Now, penny stocks are a bit riskier because they aren't as liquid as other stocks. When you go ahead and buy the stock, someone has to be selling it, and when you go ahead and sell the stock, someone has to be on the receiving end of that. It may seem a little bit easier with Robinhood and stuff like that, just because when you sell something, it sells pretty quick. That's just because of the volume in trading. There are people buying the stock on the other end. With penny stocks, it's not that easy. There is less volume, less trading going on between these stocks. Now, CYIO is no exception. The volume has been really low for a stock. This is like ridiculously low. The company is ridiculously small, so any shift in price is rather quick. Last month I purchased this stock at around 2 cents.
3 cents a share. That's $3. You cheap fuck.
And now it is trading at a miraculous 69 cents.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute? Name of the company.
Now this company, CYIO,
Our analysts indicate it could go a heck of a lot higher than that. Your profit on a mere $6,000 investment would be upwards of $60,000.
a company I am super bullish on. To answer people's questions that I've been getting a lot. Is it too late? Am I still buying? Should I get in? Should I wait for a pullback? Well, you know what? I can't tell you for certain if there's gonna be a pullback. What I know for certain is that I feel comfortable buying this stock under $1. That's my personal preference. This stock could go significantly higher, but for me, anything I can get under $1 is a steal. Now, what I think is, people look into this company, CYIO, and they see that they sell sanitizers and CBD products. Yeah, they do that. They sell hand sanitizers, cleaning products, and CBD products through Choice Wellness. But that's not CYIO. CYIO is in the acquisition game. They acquired Choice Wellness. Now, the reason why it's going up like crazy is because people are suspecting that there is going to be a merger with Helio Lending. Now you may be asking, why do they suspect that it's going to be a merger with a company that sells cleaning products? Well, in short, the CYIO claims to be knowledgeable in financial technologies and blockchain. Blockchain is basically crypto. So if you look behind the scenes of CYIO, you'll see that David Lewis, the CEO and founder of Choice Wellness, is also is the chairman of CYIO. Now, why is that important? Because John O'Shea, the other chairman of CYIO, is the founder and CEO of Helio Lending. So it only seems natural, if you've got the key players already in CYIO, that the merger go through. That's not to say it is going to, but I mean, it's there. Now, John O'Shea has stated that he plans to take Helio Lending public through a US listed company via merger. That could be SPAC. That could just be CYIO. We don't know yet. But the plans are there. CYIO is a US listed company. Now, finding it at 2 cents is a steal. That's like basically getting in on the ground floor. This company could go up significantly higher with news of the merger. Now, the reason everyone's buying into CYIO right now and it's going up like crazy, it's because Helio Lending, what they do is something that no one else does. Well, no one that's publicly traded. They give out loans against people's cryptocurrency. So say you need money and you have cryptocurrency, but you don't want to sell your crypto. Well, you hand over your crypto like taking a lien against your house. You take a lien against your crypto. They hold on to it and they give you cash at a low interest rate. It's a win-win. You pay a little interest to them and you get to hold on to your crypto because you know it's going to go straight to the fucking moon. Now, Helio Lending is an Australian company. They were founded in Australia, but they have now started operations here in the US with an opening of an office in San Francisco. Now, this is one of the first steps to take into starting out and branching out in the US, but I think they're absolutely going to boom here in the US. People are buying crypto nonstop, especially with Elon Musk putting in Tesla's $1.5 billion on their balance sheet in crypto. That is not a small feat. That is a lot. That is a step to legitimize cryptocurrency. Now, as soon as people start using cryptocurrency as a form of payment everywhere, it's going to keep going up like crazy. Now, the attention is going to be there for cryptocurrency and all stocks that are involved with cryptocurrency, and Helio Lending is no stranger. Helio Lending is basically all cryptocurrency. You can deposit your crypto with them and gain interest like storing your money in a savings account that gains interest. That is crazy. Now, personally, this past week I had bought more CYIO, and I do plan to continue purchasing more CYIO under $1. Now, is this a risk I'm willing to take? Yes. I do advise everyone to take their own risk assessment as far as to how much you're willing to put into this stock. I'm not saying go out and buy this stock because this is not financial advice, but me personally, I feel bullish on this stock. The attention is there. The volume is really low right now. This stock could go through the roof. Now, like I said, I do plan to continue to buy this stock along with other stocks. Not all my money's going into the stock since I've purchased quite a few shares when it was around 30 cents, 2 cents, 5 cents. I picked up a lot of shares. Now it's just kind of like picking up more as I go, but not a significant amount because obviously my dollar goes a lot. Doesn't go as far as it did when it was a lot cheaper. Now, I do continue to purchase this stock. This stock is still really low on the radar. The volume is not high at all, and the market cap is ridiculously low. I found this stock under $1 million market cap. That is basically crazy. That is crazy to say. That is a really small company. That company is practically non-existent at under $1 million. Now, this company is at a $57 million market cap, which still is not a lot. Now, as soon as we start seeing the volume increase with CYIO, I do believe this stock will go to $1 relatively quick. Now, my plans for this stock, I do plan to sell off some shares at $1 just to take in how much I've put in out of pocket. But now any other shares over that, I do plan to keep in the portfolio. I do see the stock going a lot higher than $1, especially with the merger news. But that is very key to keep on the news with the merger. Say the merger doesn't go through and they plan to go merge with another company, another SPAC, well then the stock is going to decrease significantly. So keep an eye out on the stock. With all this information given to you, be sure to do your own due diligence. This is not me telling you to buy this stock. This is me telling you that I'm buying this stock. I really like this stock. I'm bullish on it. The fundamentals, not really there, just because we're really trading on speculation for this stock because of the merger, of course. So do your own due diligence on Helio Lending when you're looking at CYIO and why I'm so bullish on it. Now, this has been my quickest video on a penny stock just because I really need to get that information out there to let you guys know that yes, I'm still buying this stock. I still really like it. And if you like this quick video and would like more quick videos, go ahead and like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Any other stocks you'd like me to take a look at, please leave those down in the comments and I'll possibly make a video on them. But we'll see. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next video.